I sit up on the dock beneath the starry sky. The lake's dark waters, a mirror to the universe's eye. I breathe in the stillness and feel my spirit start to soar. I am one with the magic that surrounds me evermore. Oh, the lake at night, it's where I come to be. One with the universe, wild and carefree. The world's noise fades away as I sit by the shore, filled with the peace of nature. I am forevermore. The trees lean in like sentinels of old. Their leaves a gentle whisper of secrets yet untold. The wind carries the whispers of the universe's design, and I am filled with wonder at the magic that's mine. Oh, the lake at night, it's where I come to be. One with the universe, wild and carefree. The world's noise fades away as I sit by the shore, filled with the peace of nature. I am forevermore. The sacred place, I find my heart's true home, where the rhythms of nature are the rhythms of my own. I am the lake, the stars, the trees, the wind and the night. I am the universe, and it is my delight. Oh, the lake at night, it's where I come to be. One with the universe, wild and carefree. The world's noise fades away as I sit by the shore, filled with the peace of nature. I am forevermore. Oh, the lake at night, it's where I come to be. One with the universe, wild and carefree. The world's noise fades away as I sit by the shore, filled with the peace of nature. I am